Okay, so I've been building this crane for about, I don't know, like 1 hour. I haven't finished yet. I can't find this one piece that's supposed to go right there. And I've been looking in this pile for like a very long time, for like about 10 minutes, and I could not find the piece. So, I'm not sure if I should go to my Lego tub, or Drew's Lego tub. So, I'll come back in the video and tell you guys when I find the piece, and then we'll start going back to building again. Bye guys. Hi guys. So we couldn't find the piece yet, but let me know if you guys could see the piece next time.
What are you making?
I'm making this type of crane. You can lift it up, around, and down. And this is the whole entire crane. And this is the front of the crane where the people go into. This is the back of it where the lights are. And yeah, that's one of the parts.
Very cool.
I'm not sure if I should be making this part, but it won't really look like the same, because that would take a very long time to find the piece. And as you can see, that I can't see it in the Lego area. So now, if you guys can see it right now, then you can just try to tell me when I make my channel. So say goodbye. Bye. Come back again. Right now I'm still looking for the piece. Like, do you know how long this is going to take or something? Because if you were here and you were doing this, you would probably have a hard time doing it unless you had all the pieces, which I don't. Earlier I was kind of destroying this thing because I found some pieces that I could use. So yeah. I don't know. I hope you guys are having a good day. I wonder if you guys are making Lego sets too. Yeah. So, let's find the piece. It'll be a long time of quietness, but if I can't find it, then I'll start talking again. Let's go look in the Lego tub. You guys cannot really see it. There you go. There you guys can. This is the playroom. So, let's see if we can find the piece. Okay, let's go. Okay, do we seriously have to look for this piece? You know what? I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. Let's go. Let's put you guys down where you want to be. There we go. Let's go. See this thing? I'm going to show you how it works. There you go. So, you can do this. You can spin it. If you guys are wondering what this thing is, like when this thing goes down, this thing can like close onto here and like keep it like intact or something. Yeah. And that's the crane. Here are the wheels. And I spent all morning building this. You know it's a tiny Lego, but yeah. I hope you guys are having a good day. Have a fun day. Bye guys. See you later.